What is liquid tape? Liquid tape is used to block out parts of your mesh where you don't want the ink to go through. It can be used as a replacement for traditional tape and helps reduce physical waste. At Screen Print Direct, we carry two types of liquid tape: solvent resistant and water resistant. Solvent resistant liquid tape won't break down with any chemicals. It will be safe after using ink cleaners and any other products during the printing process. Water-resistant tape is great for screens you want to keep long-term without the need to keep retaping with regular tape. It's a good option for water-based printing since it's not affected by water during the printing process. This one will be slightly harder to remove in the washout booth.